Hi friends, my name is Ankita and in today's video I'm going to share with you this get ready with me style a video for Diwali. Hopefully you people might enjoy this easy and simple makeup look. I haven't used a lot of products for creating this makeup look and kept in mind that this is a makeup look for homemakers. So we've got a lot to do in hands and with that we don't have time for a lot of products, so I'm just going to make sure that you people don't have to use a lot of makeup products and hopefully you people will enjoy today's video. If you people do, just keep on watching all the way till the end of the video. Now I'm going to use my foundation. My skin is already prepped and I've showed you multiple times earlier what is my skin prep routine, so I'm not going to repeat it over here as I want this video to be a quick one. I'm using a foundation. This one is from Milani. It's a powder finish foundation. It's kind of a compact style, so I'm just applying it and just making sure that it's looking flawless, and this will eliminate the need of a setting powder. Then I'm using my concealer. This one is from Milani once again, and I'm just going to go ahead and target my problematic areas. I just wanted this makeup look to be very quick, easy and simple. Reason being, we don't have that much of time. Like, we have to get everyone ready in the family, so it's not like that we have all the time under the sun to make sure that we are ready. So it's just like things that work really easily are the things that you actually need. That's what I'm trying to show you people. I have setted my concealer only with the help of my LA Girl Pro HD Compact, and I am using my Maybelline's palette. This is a contour, highlight and blusher palette, so it's kind of an all-in-one sort of a palette. So I'll find everything at a place and I don't have to look for multiple different things here and there running around. So I am just going ahead and using that palette to bronze up my face first and then highlight my face. This is like my regular routine. I would bronze my face up first and then go ahead and highlight my face, like the higher points of my face, which is like cheekbone, nose area, forehead, cupid's bow, chin, all of that good jazz. If it is a nighttime routine, I'll try to make sure that all of the areas are covered, and if it's a daytime, I can skip my forehead and my chin a little bit, but it's a nighttime makeup look, of course, so I'm just going to go ahead and highlight every required area, and I'm going to contour my nose as well. And with that, the highlighting and contouring part is completely finished. Over here I am going to use the Balm Meet Match Nude palette, and I'm going to go ahead and accentuate my brows with the help of it. For brows, what I love to do is start from the middle, go towards the tail end, and whatever is left on my brush, I would just apply it onto the front part of my brows, and that gives me that natural kind of a look and flow. And after completing my brows and matching them with each other, like I have heard Kaushal saying that your brows should look like sisters but not twins. It's just being a tongue twister. I'm voiceovering for a very long time now, so I'm just a little bit tired, so bear with me. Over here I am using a very deep red shade of lipstick. It's a maroonish red shade. The lipstick is from Nykaa and it's a lip crayon, and I just completely swear by it. It doesn't goes anywhere. It's very long lasting, so just make sure that you don't have to touch it up a lot of times. So invest in products that are long lasting, that will give you a satisfaction. So just go ahead and do that. And over here you people can see me. I'm just going to go ahead and use my Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I am using that lightish brownish purplish sort of a shade to create the crease. The crease area needs, like, I have highlighted my brow bone, if you people remember, in the beginning as well, so I don't have to highlight it. Like, I am skipping multiple steps as I blended everything together. Like, it's like kind of years and years of experience that I'm trying to share with you people. And over here I'm just gonna go ahead and create my outer corner as I've showed you earlier. I like to smoke it out a little bit if I am trying to be a little bit more dramatic than what it actually is. And it took me like the video is 8 minutes long, but it took me like 15 minutes to complete my makeup look, and we can spare 15 minutes time for ourselves, I personally feel. And if I wouldn't have that 15 minutes, I would skip on the liner part, go towards the mascara part, or I would just simply use a brown eyeshadow for creating the depth and go ahead with liner and mascara and skip on the details of eye makeup thingy. So you need to just set up your priorities, and like, we are not teenagers that mamas will give us like gazillion tons of hours to just get ready for a particular occasion. We are mothers, so we need to make sure that the kids are ready, the husband is ready, so you need to make sure that what is your priority, and if you don't have time, you can skip on a particular part that I have mentioned earlier. Now I'm just going to go ahead and deepen up the outer V and extend the color towards the inner rim of the eye as well. It's going to give that depth to the eyeshadow, and I'm going to take a bigger fluffier blending brush, and I'm going to blend everything together and smoke it out a little bit. This just gives you that reckless sort of a makeup look, and that's what I was heading for. Now Twilight is my favorite inner corner highlight, but I'm mixing it up with the other duochrome shade from the palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight the inner corner of my eye. I love to extend my highlighter towards the 1/3 of the eyelid as well. So that's what you people can see me doing over here. It's just gives a very beautiful look, and my eyes are like quite deeply setted, so it helps me bring them forward. And then I am taking this shimmery golden shade. The only makeup look that I have created for the series with a gold shade is the Diwali makeup look, but I personally think that it looks quite ethnic. Let me come a little bit closer towards the camera to show you people. And over here people can see me applying that golden shade. Now you can pack it. This shade falls a lot, so just make sure that your cape you're careful with the shade. And then any golden shade has this tendency of falling a lot. Now for eyeliner, I didn't went ahead with something fancy because, as I mentioned earlier, I wasn't having that much of time. So I'm using the Eba Halal kohl pencil for my liner. I'll tight line my eyes with the help of it. I'll apply it onto my waterline. So it's all about using one product in multiple different ways to make sure that you have some time in hand to maintain your sanity, because we have to wear a sari as well. Oh my god, हम लोगों के पास कितना काम होता है और उसके अंदर में कितने heavy काम actually होते हैं. So anyhow, let's just get back to the makeup look. I am going ahead and applying it onto the outer rim, creating my the wing sort of thingy. It's just easier to create your wing with the help of this thing. It's really very nice kohl pencil. I'll add a video of my festive must-have, so you people can check it out as well. It would be probably the next video. So here you can see me. I am applying my mascara. This is the Zoom and Whoosh Lashes mascara from Color Bar, and I am using the zoom end of my mascara wand to give my eyelashes that lift and that oomph. I personally admire this side of this mascara more than the other side, and the other side makes the eyelashes look a little bit more clumpier than my actual liking. And when I apply the mascara, I have the spoolie cleaned, and I love to rub that clean spoolie onto my eyebrows. It just sets the brows in place, and with that the makeup look is finished. We are going to accessorize this look with the help of some bangles, bindi, chudi, sindoor, whatever you appreciate and admire wearing is something that you can accessorize yourself with. And with that, everything is finished, everything has came together. Hopefully you people might have enjoyed today's video. If you people did, turn this video on and get ready with me for Diwali, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.